Hello, I'm OBD, the voice of your car. Today we're digging into code P0171 and why your engine is running lean. When bank 1 is too lean, it means there's too much air and not enough fuel. The proper ratio is about 14.7 to 1. If that balance shifts, combustion gets weak, performance drops, and parts can take damage. So, what usually triggers P0171? A vacuum leak sneaking air in after the MAF sensor, a dirty or failing MAF sensor sending wrong airflow data, low fuel pressure from a weak pump, clogged filter, or bad regulator, or injectors that are dirty or sticking and can't supply enough fuel. How does it show up? Rough idle, hesitation or poor acceleration, higher fuel consumption, and, of course, that check engine light. If you ignore it, you risk overheating parts or even damaging the catalytic converter. How do you diagnose it? Step 1, inspect for vacuum leaks, hoses, intake boots, gaskets. Step 2, check MAF sensor values with a scanner and compare to normal readings. Step 3, measure fuel pressure at the rail. Too low. Think pump, filter, regulator. Step 4, look at fuel trims. If both short-term and long-term are strongly positive, the ECU is adding fuel to fight a lean mix. And how do you fix it? Don't just throw random parts at the car. Sometimes it's just a loose clamp. Other times it's a mix of small problems. Go step by step, that's how you solve P0171 for good. Remember, this code is not the answer, it's a clue. Listen to your engine, figure out what it's really saying, and fix it the smart way. This is OBD. See you in the next breakdown.